Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn about how to add the top loading progress bar in React. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see the progress bar. So once it's completed, right, then it comes to 0 again. Okay, so how we are going to add, we are going to learn in this video. Let's see. So this is very simple component that I am using. The package is React top loading bar. So make sure you have to install this package. Progress, set progress by default to be 0, function to stimulate the progress. Okay, so previous progress is greater than should be 100, and clear the interval, and every time 10 plus is adding. Okay, so stimulate the progress bar. Then we have the style. Okay, so main thing that we have to add, that is loading bar, color, progress, all order finish, set the progress to be 0. Okay, that's it. By doing this, you are able to just add the progress bar, top progress bar into your React application. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.